Ayan, i-withdraw muna natin tong ating balance na points. Tap natin tong withdrawal or withdraw. Sobrang ganda dito sa kanilang withdrawal method guys dahil marami silang option dyan like PayPal, GCash, Payer, Dana at saka TRX. Usually sa Pinas, PayPal lang at GCash. Sa GCash, yung kanilang minimum is 10 pesos up to 500 pesos. Dito naman sa PayPal, $1, $2.5 up to $14.5 US dollar. So, doon tayo sa GCash mag-cash out. Input lang natin dito yung ating GCash number, pangalan ng ating GCash. Tapos, dito sa amount, highlight lang natin yung gusto nating i-cash out. Dito tayo sa 500 pesos. And then, withdraw now. Confirmation, kapag mali guys, cancel nyo lang siya. So, tama naman yung aking GCash number at saka pangalan dyan. And then, nag-success na.